Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we are going to show you a very neat trick to fill 100,000 cells within a few seconds. So what we are going to show you is how to enter the numbers from 1 through 100,000 in the left column A right here or any other columns or rows. Now this is a very important thing to learn if you have to number your items on a regular basis. It could be for a database, or it could be an imported inventory lists, or anything that you would like to have a number of for the entries in the columns or the rows. So you may think to do it like this: enter 1 and to highlight them both grab the quick fill handle and drag it down, right? Because you could fill it and you could go on and on like this and wait and wait and wait until you get to that last cell that you want to fill. But that's going to take a long time if you're filling 100,000 cells, or if you're going to be bold enough and fill all 1,048,576 cells anyway. So, here's how you can do that very quickly. Let's go from 1 to 100,000 in just a few seconds. First, type 1 in cell A1. Then go to the Home tab, go to the Editing section, click Fill, then click Series, then for series and click Columns. If we click Columns, it's going to make you go from 1 to 100,000 up and down in this column A. If I select Rows, it will make it go 100,000 in series all the way left to right in row 1. If we click on Columns, it will fill the selected columns up and down, so we are going to select Columns. Then keep this at Linear. Step value 1. Step value is the value of each step. That's the value that we would like to increase each cell by. We want to increase by each step by 1, and here we have to put the stop value. So when would we like to stop? Let's say we are going to stop at 100,000. If we wanted to go by 10, for example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on, we would make a step value as 10 instead of 1. Now, we have all values set, so go ahead and click OK. And wow, check it out. So if you want to very quickly go to cell 100,000, hit Ctrl on the keyboard, and then press the down arrow. And we can see that the series has been filled up to 100,000. So that will really save you a lot of time if you're trying to fill in numbers in series like that. So that's it for this tutorial. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.